Hello, welcome to Resolute Ready. Thanks for coming and visiting us here. Resolute Ready is one stop, one call, one life. We're all about supporting military and emergency services veterans and their families. And we want to interrupt that cycle of service trauma. We want to be able to get people back on a path of post-traumatic growth as opposed to post-traumatic stress, anxiety, and all those other things. It is possible, but the sooner we get assistance to people, the sooner that we can get people back on track. Through our own agencies, sometimes that assistance is slow. So we've put this website together to be a global hub, a global resource where people who need help can come, go to that global hub, and then just find the assistance they need wherever they are. If you're in South Australia, like we are, where we've established it, then we've got assistance here. If you're in the UK, we've got people on the website that can assist you there. If you are in the US, if you are anywhere in the world, we want to be able to put people in contact with people in their local area. So if you are a service provider, please get into the hub and have a look and upload your details. It will be vetted and we'll make sure that the right people are on the website. But then again, if you are a military or first responder veteran and you need assistance, also get into that part of the hub and find the assistance you need in the area you need. If you can't find it, send us a message, contact us somehow, and we will do what we can to help you. We want to be able to break that cycle of service trauma. This is all about preventing mental health challenges and preventing suicide within our community. It is an issue. We want to be able to break the cycle of that service trauma, and we encourage you to engage with us. If we can help you in any way, let us know. We look forward to hearing from you. Resolute Ready, one stop, one call, one life. Thank you.